Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. Welcome to part 1 of our comprehensive two-part series, Avoiding and Repairing Electric Power Steering Issues, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamentals, understanding the common issues with electric power steering and exploring preventive measures. Whether you're troubleshooting a current problem or aiming to avoid future issues, this guide is for you. Grab your tools and let's dive into the intricate world of electric power steering. Electric power steering systems have become integral to modern vehicles, offering enhanced control and maneuverability. Despite their benefits, these systems can encounter various issues that affect vehicle performance and safety. Understanding the common problems associated with electric power steering is crucial for drivers to avoid potential hazards on the road. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs are essential to ensure the seamless operation of electric power steering systems. Understanding electric power steering systems. Electric power steering (EPS) systems have revolutionized the way vehicles are steered, providing a more efficient and dynamic driving experience. Understanding the key components and functionality of EPS systems is crucial for maintaining and troubleshooting potential issues. Components of electric power steering systems. The EPS system consists of several key components that work together to provide seamless steering assistance. These include the electric motor. The electric motor is the heart of the EPS system, generating the force needed to assist with steering, providing a smoother and more responsive driving experience. Torque sensor. The torque sensor detects the amount of force applied to the steering wheel by the driver, transmitting this information to the control module to determine the necessary steering assistance. Control module. The control module processes the data from the torque sensor and other vehicle inputs, calculating the ideal amount of steering assist to provide based on driving conditions and driver input. Steering gear. The steering gear, sometimes referred to as the rack and pinion, converts the rotational motion from the steering wheel into linear motion to turn the vehicle's wheels. Functionality of electric power steering systems. The functionality of EPS systems is centered around providing optimal steering assistance to drivers. The electric power steering system assists drivers in steering their vehicles by leveraging the electric motor and sensors to deliver the right amount of steering support based on driving conditions and input from the driver. The electric motor dynamically adjusts the level of steering assistance, ensuring a more controlled and effortless steering experience for the driver. Common issues with electric power steering. Electric power steering (EPS) systems offer numerous benefits, but they are not immune to malfunctions. Understanding the common issues with electric power steering can help in the early detection and prevention of potential problems. Loss of power steering assistance. Loss of power steering assistance can manifest suddenly, making steering effort more difficult. This issue can stem from various causes, including electrical failures, sensor malfunctions, or issues with the electric motor. Electrical failures may disrupt the power supply to the motor, leading to a loss of steering assistance. Sensor malfunctions can result in inaccurate steering input, affecting the system's responsiveness. Additionally, problems with the electric motor, such as overheating or internal damage, may lead to a sudden loss of power steering assistance. Unusual noises or vibrations. Unusual noises or vibrations during steering maneuvers can be indicative of potential issues within the power steering system. These symptoms could stem from problems with the electric motor, steering gear, or other components. Abnormal sounds such as whining or groaning may suggest issues with the motor or inadequate fluid levels in the system. Vibrations felt through the steering wheel could point to underlying problems with the power steering mechanism, warranting a comprehensive inspection to identify and address the root cause. Warning lights and error codes. The illumination of warning lights related to the power steering system should not be disregarded. Warning indicators may signal specific issues within the EPS system, such as low fluid levels, overheating, or sensor irregularities. Prompt attention to these warning lights is crucial to prevent potential damage and ensure the continued functionality of the power steering system. Ignoring these indicators could lead to more severe and costly problems down the line. Fluid leaks or contamination. Fluid leaks or contamination in the electric power steering system can compromise its performance and reliability. Leaking fluid or contamination within the system can result from damaged seals, deteriorated hoses or worn-out components. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to identify and rectify leaks or contamination promptly. Addressing these issues proactively can help prevent more extensive damage to the power steering system and preserve its functionality over the long term. As we wrap up part 1 of our comprehensive guide, we hope you've gained valuable insights into avoiding and identifying electric power steering issues. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.